Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video I am actually going to talk about best lipsticks under rupees 200. So all of these lipsticks are under rupees 200. The formulation is amazing. So mostly I'm going to talk about the formulation in this video, not about the shades, because obviously I talk about nude shades, pink shades all the time on this channel. So mainly I'm going to focus on the formulation and why you should purchase a particular lipstick. So let's get in with the video now. Also, if you are someone who's new to this channel, first of all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the vibe, if you like the content, you can hit the subscribe button only if you like the video, and also the notification bell. I post 4 days a week about affordable makeup, fashion and skincare on this channel. So let's get in with the video now. So the first lipstick that I have here is the Swiss Beauty. This is a matte lipstick and it's in the shade Cute Nude. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing. Ever since I got this lipstick, I wear it religiously. It is such a good lipstick. I feel like the pigmentation of this lipstick is on point, and also the finish, the texture, everything is so good. It just has this one swipe pigment to it. And the best thing I like about this is this shade. This shade Cute Nude is something that is going to suit all skin tones. I feel like even if you have fair skin tone, dusky skin tone, you are still going to like this. This is a nude I use when I have no makeup on and I just have to go out the door and I really want to pick a lipstick out. This is the lipstick I usually grab, and honestly the formulation is top notch, you guys. It just goes on very creamy, and after that it sets, and once it sets it goes in with like a matte finish, but it's a very beautiful, comfortable matte finish. So if you are looking for something that has really good pigmentation, really good finish, formulation, I do think that you are going to like the Swiss Beauty lipstick. And I really actually don't know the Swiss Beauty lipstick name of this, but obviously I'll leave it in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. I really like this, and they have really good shades as well. They have like browns, mauves in there, pinks in there, so you can pick your shade. You can pick the shade that you like. This is definitely my favorite shade. Next lipstick I have here is a crayon lipstick, and it is from Bella Voste. Now this is in the shade I really don't know the shade, 08. So this is in the shade 08, and this is not like your typical matte crayon lipstick. It doesn't have a full-on pigmentation, and this is something that I really like sometimes, when I really don't want that full kind of pigmentation. This is something that I grab. It is a very natural lip crayon. Mostly when we talk about lip crayons, we are talking about really matte lip crayons with heavy pigmentation, one swipe pigmentation, but this is not going to give you that. You have to apply it twice or thrice on your lips, and then it's going to give you a little bit of pigmentation. It's not completely a flat matte finish. It has a little bit of the satin finish where it's not too satin and it's not too matte. It's somewhere right in between, and I really love the formulation of this. It is very comfortable on the lips. So if you are someone who's going out on a daily basis, just for college and something like that, to work, I do think that this will be your perfect pick for that. So the next lipstick I have here is again a bullet lipstick, and it is from Blue Heaven. And oh my god, first of all, let me just appreciate the shade. It is one of the best nudes I have in my collection. Obviously I have to use a lip liner with this nude because it can wash me out, but still I really love it. So this is the Blue Heaven this is the lipstick from Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick, and it is in the shade Sandy Beach. Now this shade I love in particular because, as I said, it's like a very peachy type of a nude, and not only that, the formulation of this lipstick is very beautiful. It just like gives you the amazing finish on your lips. Again, it's a very satin type of a lipstick, and the price of this lipstick is extremely affordable. I think it's under rupees 100 or something, 120 rupees. For that price, to get this good formulation, I think it's really a good choice. And honestly, I have been impressed with Blue Heaven lipsticks. I do think that they are quite good for the price. Amazing. And this doesn't have a full-on pigmentation like a one-swipe pigmentation, but it's so comfortable on the lips. It says it's an intense matte. I wouldn't call it an intense matte because I feel like it's not an intense matte, and sometimes I do like that feeling, of just putting on a very light pigmentation lipstick, and this will give you that. So now coming on to a lipstick that I have recently tried out and I immediately fell in love with. this lipstick after I tried it out, and the formulation is also very unique. So this is the Dazzler liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Autumn Spice. First of all, the shade is very beautiful. It's right up my alley, you know. It's like a very pink nude. I really love these type of shades. Now the formulation of this lipstick, liquid lipstick, is very different. It has a little bit of a thicker formula, but it's not like a flat matte thick formula. So this almost feels like a bullet lipstick mixed in with a liquid lipstick. You know, the formulation that would create, this is the lipstick for that, you know. And once you swipe it, you feel this amazing soft feeling on your lips, because it doesn't live like it doesn't feel actually like a liquid lipstick on your lips, but give it some time and then it's going to dry down to a matte finish, which is so comfortable. So these are one of my favorite type of liquid lipsticks, because this doesn't feel like a liquid lipstick, you know. This doesn't have that uncomfortable matte feeling type of a consistency. It doesn't have any of that. I feel like it is one of the best liquid lipstick formulation. I like it more than the Nykaa liquid lipsticks as well. I like it more than the ColourPop liquid lipsticks as well. I love this type of liquid lipstick formulation. Although, you know, when you apply it, you feel like it's going to look or feel heavy. It doesn't do that at all. It feels like a complete, like a bullet lipstick, like, you know, this type of lipstick. This is how it feels like, but it's in a liquid lipstick form. So the next lipstick we have here is this Inside Matte Ink lipstick. Now I have done a full-on dedicated review on this lipstick. I'm not going to talk too much about this lipstick, but again, one of the best amazing formulation liquid lipsticks right here. So this liquid lipsticks actually feel a very different. These feel very pillow type of cushion type of lipstick. This you can use it on your eyes, on your cheeks, and on your lips too. That's how I feel like. It has a very, you know, you can like put this on and leave it on for quite some time and then it goes matte. That is a really good formula because it gives you time to work with this lipstick. It gives you time to blend it on your eyes. It gives you time to blend it on your cheeks, and that is why I said you can put this on your cheeks and you can put this on your eyes. The formulation of this lipstick is very thin, so it's not like a thick type of a consistency where, you know, where I feel like, okay, something is there on my lips. Honestly, when I wear this, I feel like there is nothing on my lips. It really is one of the best formulation, and my favorite shade is obviously the shade Cocoa. It is really beautiful. It's really pretty, and the price of these lipsticks are really good. These are like I really like the size of these because you can definitely travel with these, and yeah, one of the best liquid lipstick formulation out there. So the next lipstick I have here is this Huff and Half lipstick. Now, first of all, as I said, I will talk about the formulation of this lipstick. The formulation is very good on this lipstick, but mainly get this for the shade, because I haven't seen a shade like this in any of the affordable lipstick. Like, this is like a very brown rustic shade, and honestly I love these shades for winter time, and this is a perfect winter lipstick. I mean, obviously the formulation is so good as well. It's like a creamy matte lipstick, but the shade, you have to get this for the shade, and it's in the shade Lusty Rust. Definitely goes in with the shade, you know. It has this a little bit of that orange tone in it, a little bit of that brown tone in it. I don't get to see this kind of shade in a lot of affordable lipsticks, so that is the only reason I would suggest this to you. Obviously, as I said, again, I'm saying this, don't get me wrong, the formulation of this lipstick is very good. It's not unique. It's like a creamy matte lipstick. That's the formulation we get in mostly all lipsticks these days. But the shade, you guys, this is the shade that I think a lot of you guys might want to check it out. So the next lipstick I have here is from NY Bae. Now, I am recommending this lipstick to you guys because I feel like the formulation of this lipstick and the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick is very similar, almost very similar. So this lipstick is very thin consistency. It glides on really easily. It takes some time to dry down, but once it sets, you know, that kind of a formulation. It doesn't feel heavy on your lips. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a lipstick on your lips. It's not like your usual typical liquid lipsticks. That's what I would say. Another thing I noticed about this is that if you have extremely dry lips, like cracked lips, obviously you're not going to like this, because ultimately it's a liquid lipstick, you know. You're not going to enjoy the formulation if you have cracked and dry lips, too much of dry lips. But if you have normal to moderate dry lips like I do, you're still going to love it. You're still going to enjoy it, and the shade is also very pretty. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful in any way. So let me know your favorite lipstick, anything that you think that I might want to try out on this channel. So let me know about it, and I would love to check it out. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot. Also, if you like the content, only if you like the content, you can hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.